Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can create a multi-agent system to write an article and do a research for it. So let's get started. So first of all, just to tell you, we are using a CrewAI library for creating this multi-agent system and running those tasks sequentially. So first of all, let's start with import statements. So we are importing three main classes from CrewAI, which is agent, task, and crew, and we'll explain like what all these classes are required for. Then from OpenAI, we are setting up the API key. Now let's start creating agents. So in this video, there are three different types of classes that we are using from CrewAI, which is agent, task, and crew. So first of all, let's get started with creating an agent. So for writing an article, there are main three things which is required. First is the content planner, then is the content writer, and then is the editor. So there are these three roles which are required whenever like you want to write an article. So first of all, let's create an agent for a content planner. To create an agent for a content planner, we have to like specify the role. We have to clearly specify what is the goal of this content planner, and here you can see a topic which will be inserted later, and that you can customize anytime at your end. But the role and the goal of the agent remains the same, and also we provide a backstory just to provide a little bit more context on what this agent is about. So this is the agent that we have coded for the planner. Then comes the writer. Once the content is already planned and all the information is retrieved, then comes the role of content writer. So this content writer will actually write the content for the article, and also we give a backstory. You are working on a writing a new piece, a new opinion piece about this topic based on your writing on the work. So basically we have defined a backstory of what this agent is about, and its goal is to write an insightful and factually accurate piece of information. So yes, now then comes the editor. So once the content is written, then comes the role of an editor who actually sees if there is any correction that needs to be done to the blog which is being written. So once we are done with creating all these three agents, which is planner, writer, and editor, now we have to create tasks. So with every task, we are going to attach the agent which we have created, and also specify in very clear language what this task is about. So first task is to plan. So when you need to plan, you need to like prioritize the latest trends, keywords which is related to the topic which the user is going to input, identify the target audience, develop a detailed content outline including the introduction, key points, and call to action, and then also to include the SEO keyword. So this is a task that we are going to create for the planner. So once we have created that, then again we'll create two other tasks. One is for writer and other is for editor in the same way. So let's run these cells. So once these cells are compiled and run, now comes the crew part. So this crew part is basically running the task in sequential way, and also assigning what all agents needs to perform those tasks. So here we are providing a list of tasks and list of agents. So once this is done, and once we need to like start the process of start writing this documentation, we can call the kickoff function. So now the agents are collecting the information, writing the information, and editor will edit it. So now we can see the response. So let's go through it. So the topic that we are going to write an article on is artificial intelligence. So the planner would first of all collect all the data which is related to this. So there is this outline, key points, key players, noteworthy news, target audience, SEO keywords, resources, and so on. So once all this information is collected by the planner, now comes the part of writer. So here we can see what task the writer needs to perform. It will take all the information from the planner and create a blog out of it. So here it has started to write a blog in markdown format, as you can see. Once this part is completed, all the output which writer has generated is going to go to the editor to check if there are any grammatical mistakes or any other things which needs to be corrected. Basically to proofread the blog. So it has started the proofreading and all. So once this is completed, then we are going to see the output in a markdown way, and this is how the output would look like. So you can see like we have utilized like 3 different agents to write this complete blog post, and it is fully autonomous. Similarly, you can also try to give some other topic and see what kind of results it will generate. So using this way, we can do multiple different kind of tasks that needs to be done using CrewAI's library and get your task completed. So for this new topic, our agents are running, and now we can see for different topic as well, we have generated a blog post. I will drop the code for this Jupyter notebook in my GitHub repository in the description. Thank you.